Before mountain biking, before wildlife videos, and before becoming a mom, I spent many years creating handmade jewelry. From 2009 to about 2016, I designed earrings, bracelets, and necklaces inspired by nature, history, and cultures from around the world. I've always loved creating. When I opened my Etsy shop in 2009, I wanted every piece to feel unique. I always chose natural materials, like gemstones, glass, shell, ceramic, and other elements that each had their own character. Many customers asked for custom jewelry, and that became one of my favorite parts. I made gifts for friends and family, and I loved working with people to create something that felt personal just for them. One of my favorite collections was inspired by Baščaršija, the old heart of Sarajevo, in Bosnia, where I grew up. I called it Baščaršija Nights because I wanted to capture the warm lights, the history, and the feeling of walking those old stone streets in the evening. People often told me they loved hearing the stories behind each design. I realized I wasn't making just jewelry, I was sharing little pieces of culture and memories. I also enjoyed researching jewelry traditions from other parts of the world. Learning how different cultures express beauty through color, materials, and design inspired many of my collections. Life changed over the years. Becoming a mom and focusing on family meant I no longer had time to keep my Etsy shop open, but creativity never left me. I've recently started designing again whenever I can find a little free time. I'm excited to keep creating again. I'd also love your help. What would you name this new collection? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more.